This video is to show how to use the zero factor property to solve a quadratic equation when there are fractions in the original problem. So the original equation is m squared over 2 minus 7m over 6 plus 1/3 equals 0. And my first step is to look at the 2, 6, and 3 and decide that 6, when multiplied times both sides of the equation, and by distributive property on the left-hand side, it would hit all three of those terms. 6 three of those denominators. So, for example, 6 times m squared over 2, the 2 will cancel. 6 times 7m over 6, the 6's will simplify, and finally 6 times 1/3, and careful, 6 times 0 is 0, so nothing's happening over there. But as I look at this, 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 6 three times, 6 goes into 6 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice. Now my style of factoring is to try to guess and check. And so I'm going to try to see, especially since 3 only really has 3 times 1 to factor it, and 2 only -2 times -1. So I'll try it both ways. I'll maybe put the -2 here and the -1 there, but that gives -3 minus 2 is -5, so that's not it. So I'll try the 1 there, the -1 there, and the -2 there, and now I've got 3m squared, 6m for my outer, -1m for my inner. That adds up to -7m, so it looks like we have it. Each one of those factors, so let's see, I have 3m minus 1 times m minus 2 equals 0. Each one of those factors I individually solve. They're linear equations that I can solve using the addition property and the division property. So there I get m is 1/3, and over here m is 2. And those are the two solutions.